What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. In this video, I'll be gifting away some of my homemade Ayurveda Mango Butters to a few of my favorite people. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how I make my homemade Ayurveda Mango Butter from scratch. And let's go ahead and start with the ingredients. I'm first starting off with the Ultimate Body Butter. Now I know what you guys are thinking, why are you using body butter on your hair? But take a look at the ingredients. There's only shea butter, mango butter, and cocoa butter in this mixture, and that's why I decided to use this as the main ingredient for my hair. The next thing that we're going to go in with is the liquid shea butter infused with moringa and black seed oil, and this is from Black & Noble. The vitamin E and C can be found in moringa, and that's good for improving scalp circulation. Also, black seed has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which is great for hair health. Next is almond oil, which has a high level of protein, omega-9 fatty acids, and vitamin E. These products improve shine and strength in your hair. Shea Naturals includes fresh herbs, essential oils, and Ayurvedic powders that promote hair growth. And I'm using more mango butter because that's the main ingredient in my Ayurveda Mango Butter. This functions as a sealant to lock in moisture throughout your hair strands. It also softens hair, reduces breakage, and smooths split ends. Essential oils are distilled from the plant itself. They have a signature scent from the plant they come from. They are highly concentrated, guys. For example, it takes 220 pounds of lavender flowers to create 1 single pound of lavender oil. You will definitely need a hand mixer to mix the products together, and also the traditional beading attachments as well. You're going to want to use a wooden spoon so you can scrape the sides of the bowl. You'll need a knife and cutting board so we can cut through those big butter blocks. We'll also use 1 cup and 1/2 cup of measuring cups for our mixtures. I have here with me a glass bowl. This will be used on the stove as the double boiler method. I have here with me 1 large plastic mixing bowl as well, and we'll be using this to mix together our mixture. We're going to first start with the Ultimate Body Butter. Again, this only has mango butter, cocoa butter, and shea butter in there. This is the card that it came with from Health Remedies. So shea butter has a non-greasy quality that makes it excellent for moisturizing your hair. It softens dry, brittle hair and repairs split, damaged ends. Shea butter contains vitamin A and E, which are essential fatty acids which moisturize and shine your hair. Cocoa butter is an edible pale yellow vegetable fat extracted from cocoa beans. Its moisturizing sealing properties help keep hair softer for longer. Cocoa butter nourishes hair and scalp with vitamins and minerals, thereby helping it to keep it healthier. Mango butter is derived from the seeds of mango trees found throughout South Asia and other regions of the world. Its high levels of saturated and monosaturated fatty acids help seal and protect hair strands, and are high in antioxidants to help shield environmental stress like sun and heat damage. These vitamins are also amazing when it comes to locking in moisture and help prevent scalp irritation when flaking. Mango butter will never leave your hair feeling greasy. So guys, I cut down 2 1-pound blocks of our mixture, and now we're going to just go ahead and heat this up over the stove a little bit so I can melt it down and add in more ingredients. Alright, so I did melt it down just a tad, and now I can go in and start adding in my other ingredients. We're going to start with the mango butter again. The reason I'm adding in more mango butter is because this is the main ingredient in our combination. Now we can continue to melt it down over the stove using the double boiler method. Now this is what it's going to look like, and I'm going to pop it into our large mixing bowl just because it's way too much for that small glass container. Now we can start adding in our other ingredients. Almond oil is up first. It comes from pressing seeds of an almond tree and extracting oil from what comes out. Almond oil softens, strengthens, and repairs hair. It also helps with hair growth and also helps with treat a dry, flaky scalp. Next is the Shea Naturals Ayurvedic and Natural Herbs. Hair growth oil. Now guys, I have been using this oil for quite some time. I'll just go ahead and flash on the screen all the ingredients that come in this oil. I highly recommend that you buy it and also support this black owned business. Now for the liquid shea butter infused with moringa and black seed oil. Black seed oil helps maintain a healthy scalp by addressing issues such as dandruff. It helps seal in moisture in individual hair strands because it's rich in phytoamino acids. Moringa's high vitamin A content promotes healthy hair. The iron in moringa brings oxygen to the roots, the zinc stimulates hair growth, and the amino acids build healthy hair strands. Eucalyptus is an essential oil distilled from the leaves of a eucalyptus tree. It's known to stimulate hair growth because of its natural nourishing properties that can help soothe and calm the scalp. Chamomile adds shine and softens the hair. It also nourishes your hair, keeps it frizz-free, and strengthens damaged hair. Be aware that if you do put essential oils directly on your scalp, it may cause irritation, so it should be mixed with other oils. Lavender is known for stimulating the hair growth and will grow thicker, faster hair than normal. It helps promote bacteria and fungi from growing. Ylang Ylang is a tropical tree native to Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. The tree produces gorgeous yellow-green flowers known as Ylang Ylang flowers. It is an effective natural treatment to reduce fallout caused by alopecia. Okay guys, so go ahead and give your mixture a good stir. I am going to allow this to sit in the refrigerator for a few hours to get hard. Because I have a lot of oil, it's going to take me a very long time for it to become a solid again, but that's okay. So again, just give it a good stir and then we're going to set it in the refrigerator until it becomes a solid. 6 hours later and we are back, guys. I actually forgot about it because it took so long, but the reason I love Ayurveda Mango Butter is because of all the healing properties the mixture contains. This mixture will be perfect for the winter time because most of the ingredients are used to seal and lock in moisture. If you're struggling with dry hair, it may be because you're not properly sealing in the moisture and allowing it to escape back into the atmosphere. A few ways to use this butter: during wash day, after you shampoo and deep condition and apply your leave-in, you can seal your hair with the Ayurveda Mango Butter before adding in your styling products. Also at night, some people do like to refresh their hair, so they can apply either a leave-in, a water, or even aloe vera juice. Again, top it off with the Ayurveda Mango Butter to seal in all that moisture that you just added to your hair. I would suggest using the Ayurveda Mango Butter 2 to 3 times a week depending on how dry your hair is. No preservatives are required because this is an oil-based product and no water was added to the mixture. Because it is a butter, I do suggest that you leave it in the fridge. Take the product out of the fridge 10 to 15 minutes before you start to use it so it can thaw out back to room temperature and easily be scooped out of the jar. So I went ahead and mixed this for about 10 to 15 minutes at a smooth, steady pace, and as you can see, there's nice peaks at the top and it's really creamy. So now we can start to go ahead and put it in our plastic baggie and transition it into the jars. Now a great tip is to turn the plastic bag inside out and just start to scoop it right in your hand, as I'm going to demonstrate on the screen in the video. Look at how creamy the mixture looks. It looks like cream or ice cream or something, I don't know, and it smells good, so you really just want to eat it, but you have to know that this is not edible. This is for our hair and for our hair health. But after you put an adequate amount in the plastic baggie, you can go ahead and change it back to the right side, and then we can start squeezing it out and putting it and filling it in our jars. Now, I would suggest that you invest in a cake piping tool, and I'm going to show you guys why in a second, but it's definitely a lot easier if you do have one. It'll just look a lot better in the jars, especially if you are going to be selling these. But you can see how I'm just piping it in the jar, and then you can just start to slowly squeeze it in. Now, these are 8-ounce jars, and I did not have enough to fill it up to the top, so I either had the option to either fill it up to the top and give it to a few people, or fill the jars up halfway and give it out to a lot of people. So I chose to only fill up the jars halfway, therefore everybody can at least get a little bit. I will have everything tagged in the description of where you can purchase these at an affordable price, but I did get these jars and also the body butter purchased off Amazon for a very affordable price, and you can do the same thing. So again, I'll have it tagged below in the description, so if you guys do want to make these, go ahead and get yourself some jars. Start with that body butter, also that can be used on your hair. You can have to invest in a couple other different oils as well, and the essential oils also came from Amazon. So pretty much everything came from Amazon. That was like my favorite place to shop at, guys. And also in a second you will see that I do have labels for these as well. So you can label these up. I wrote Ayurveda Mango Butter on every last single one of them. Please ignore my sloppy handwriting. But you can see that this is what I'm doing now. I'm just putting the tags on them, and these will be used as gifts for people. I did hand these out during the Christmas holiday, and everyone absolutely loved them. Again, they stored them in the refrigerator and they take them out as needed. But guys, that is how you make the Ayurveda Mango Butter. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this. This is the second time I'm doing this on my channel, just with a couple different tweaks. If you guys want to see the first video, I will have it tagged. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be making this, and subscribe to my channel. And my name is Aaliyah. This is as always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.